This is a review of Dr. Martens Undercover 1460 boots, and since this is my first ever Dr. Martens, I also experiment how I would wear these very boots. Challenge accepted. This will be a quick review since I've already made a first impression video of the boots. If you've not seen that already, I'll put a link above. Now let's dive right into it. I like the silhouette of the boots, which is one of the features that makes the 1460 iconic. The entire upper is comprised of black corduroy of medium wales, which adds to the aesthetic of the boots. To be honest, the corduroy is what piqued my interest, and I think it looks awesome on this pair. The tonal stitching is also of terrific quality and befitting of a design by Jun Takahashi. I also love the yellow well stitching and the contrast it creates, which is a non-distinctive trademark of Dr. Martens. On sizing, I say it's true to size, and if you wear half sizes, go to the nearest size up. They're not the most comfortable shoes out there, but I'm sure as I break in, I'll be okay. The boots are quite heavy and the sole has got quite a good grip. I know because I try to moonwalk in them. My advice? Don't do it. It's not worth it. One thing I'll say though is that it attracts dust very easily, and they shipped it with no tissue paper stuffing, but I can get over it. Overall, it's a great design and I love it. So let's do some styling. Outfit number 1. This features a white t-shirt from H&M, a Burberry navy tartan pants, a pair of tone brown socks, and a corduroy boots. This is a very simple look, but I think it works very well with a low accessorizing, some bracelets, rings, necklace, and clear lens glasses. The pants is tapered, it's not too tight, which means you can pull off this look in the summer without sweating at funny places. The pants are currently sold out on Burberry, but I found a similar one on House of Fraser, which is reasonably priced. I'll put a link in the description below, check it out. Oh, and continue watching to see how that picture turned out. Outfit number 2, which features a camp color printed top, navy shorts by Rubinacci, tone brown socks, and everything else from the previous outfit. The top is very colorful, very bright, almost screams Wakanda's in the house, but this is summer, so don't hate a player, hate the game. Outfit number 3 is pretty much the same as outfit number 2, but this time I changed the top. I went for a striped shirt. This is another summer look, camp color top and shorts, which will bring out the summer vibe for that sunny day out. Outfit number 4. This is not exactly one for summer, perhaps fall or spring, but then again, depending on where you live, you can pull this up. This features a maroon flannel shirt, black t-shirt, black pants, and the Dr. Martens boots. Roll out the sleeves of your shirt, leave it unbuttoned, accessorize, and you're ready to step out. How? I never styled with rings until recently. Now I like them because I think they look good. My next video will be on how to get into rings for the first time. Until then, gentlemen,